11th Science, Chapter 2, Atomic Structure, Part 6, Rules of Filling Electrons in Atomic Orbitals.
Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. In this video, we will be discussing about the rules of filling electrons in atomic orbitals.
The word Aufbau in German means building up. The building up of orbitals means filling up of orbitals with electrons. The Aufbau principle states that the filling of electrons in the atomic orbital of the element takes place with the order of increasing energy of atomic orbital. In other words, the electrons first occupy the lowest energy orbital available to them and then enter into higher energy orbitals only after the lower energy orbitals are completely filled. The energy of the atomic orbital can be derived by using n plus L rule, where n represents principal quantum number and L represents azimuthal or subsidiary quantum number. According to n plus L rule, higher the value of n plus L, higher will be the energy of atomic orbital and vice versa. The energy of atomic orbital follows the following order. According to this, 1s orbital is lower in energy than 2s, is lower in energy than 2p, is lower in energy than 3s, which is increasing order of energy of atomic orbitals. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of four quantum numbers. It also states that an orbital can occupy maximum two electrons and these electrons must have opposite spin. This means that the two electrons can have same values of three quantum numbers n, L and m but must have opposite spin quantum number. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity deals with the filling of electrons into the orbitals belonging to same subshell having equal energies. These type of orbitals with equal energies are called as degenerate orbitals. According to this rule, the pairing of electron in degenerate orbital takes place in such a way that first of all the orbitals are singly occupied before pairing takes place. Hence, in case of p, d and f orbital, first of all the orbitals are half filled and then only pairing takes place in these orbitals. The three suborbitals of p orbital, 5 of d and 7 of f orbitals are degenerate orbitals having same energy. The distribution of electrons into orbitals of an atom is called its electronic configuration and it is represented in terms of SPDF notation and orbital diagram. Each orbital of the subshell is represented by a box and the electron is represented by an upward or downward arrow. The upward arrow indicates positive spin or clockwise direction and downward arrow represents negative spin or anti-clockwise direction. The completely filled or half-filled subshells have symmetrical distribution of electrons in them and are therefore more stable. The stabilizing effect arises whenever two or more electrons with same spin are present in the degenerate orbitals of the subshell. These electrons tend to exchange their position, and energy released due to this exchange is called exchange energy. The number of exchanges that can take place is maximum when the subshell is either half filled or completely filled. As a result, the exchange energy is maximum and so is the stability. Let's recap the rules of filling electron in atomic orbital once again quickly. Aufbau principle states that filling of electron in an atomic orbital of the element takes place with the order of increasing energy of atomic orbital. Pauli's exclusion principle says that no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of four quantum numbers. It also indicates that an orbital can occupy only two electrons and that electrons must have opposite spin. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity states that in case of degenerate orbitals like p, d and f, the pairing of electron takes place only when the orbitals are singly occupied.